Do you want to add fall colors to your landscape using native plants? This is the Front Range Gardener, and I will show you 4 native Colorado shrubs that look great in fall. If you are ready to branch out from the ubiquitous burning bush, try these native shrubs. Native shrubs evolved to thrive in Colorado's arid climate, intense sun, and frigid winters. Native plants also provide food and cover for wildlife. The first of 2 species of sumac that I will show you is the 3-leaf sumac. This native shrub has a very pungent aroma when crushed or pruned. This scent earns it the name skunk bush. I like to plant a closely related species in the Grow Low cultivar. This shrub grows 2 to 3 feet high and 5 to 8 feet wide. It is great to fill in an area like this spot in my retaining wall. In spring, it attracts pollinators. The berries are food for birds. The 3-leaf sumac turns bright red in fall, adding spectacular color to your landscape. I love the scarlet color that this smooth sumac turns in fall. I get more comments about the fall colors of this plant than any other plant in my yard. The smooth sumac is a tall shrub. In my landscape, it grows to about 10 feet tall. Birds and small mammals use it for food, usually in winter. Deer graze on the shoots throughout the year. There is a significant downside to this handsome shrub. Smooth sumac is highly invasive. I have shoots pop up all around this area of my yard during the growing season. Another fabulous native shrub that gives great fall color is the Saskatoon serviceberry. The serviceberry is available in multiple forms. It can grow into a multi-trunk small tree. I prefer the Regent cultivar. This is a shrub that grows 3 to 6 feet tall and wide. The serviceberry has clusters of white flowers in spring. The resulting berries are popular with the local birds. Unfortunately, in parts of my yard, the leaves are popular with deer. The Red-Twig Dogwood is a great native shrub with year-round interest. In fall, the leaves turn scarlet. After they drop, the red trunks provide a striking contrast to fresh snowfalls. This multi-stemmed shrub usually grows to about 6 feet tall, but I have some specimens that grow taller if they are reaching for sunlight. The small clusters of flowers attract pollinators in spring. Berries ripen by the end of summer and provide a tasty treat to local birds. There is a variety of red-twig dogwood with variegated leaves, but I find that they don't provide such striking colors in fall. Those are my 4 fantastic Colorado native shrubs that turn brilliant colors in fall.